Hello friends. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of deleting an existing drive partition and also creating an additional one on your PC. The process is same for all Windows operating system, whether it is Windows 10 or 11. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to delete, shrink, or manage the volumes of any drive, whether it's on a laptop, desktop, or even an external hard drive or SSD. When I click on my PC icon, you'll see that my hard drive has 5 partitions, labeled from C to H. The C drive is my main local disk, where the Windows operating system is installed, and the other drives are secondary volumes. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to delete a partition by removing my partition, labeled as H. Before proceeding, it's important to back up any data from the partition you will be deleting. Deleting the volume will erase everything on it, so make sure your files are safely backed up. Now right-click on the Start icon here, then click on Disk Management. This will open a new window. Here, you'll see all your disk partitions. Here you can see I have 3 different drives, but don't get confused with it, as if you haven't added extra drives, your PC or laptop will have just 1 drive. Now I will be deleting the H partition. To do so, right-click on it and select Delete Volume. You will see a warning message that deleting this volume will erase all data. So if you haven't backed up your data, do so now. If you have backed up the data, click on Yes to proceed. This will delete the partition, leaving behind an unallocated space, as you can see here. Now that the partition is gone, you may want to use the available space for your G drive. To do this, right-click on the G drive and select Extend Volume. Click Next to continue. The wizard will show you how much unallocated space is available. Simply select the available space and click Next. Then click Finish, and the G drive will automatically expand to use the unallocated space. Now that you have learned how to delete a drive, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now if you want to make 2 volumes from this G drive, now right-click on the Start icon here, then click on Disk Management. This will open a new window. Here, you'll see all your disk partitions. Now, I will shrink the G drive. To do so, right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. Now here, you can see the total space, which is 476,937 megabytes. And from here, you can enter the amount of space you want your partition to be. I will enter 15,000 megabytes, which is 15 gigabytes. Then click on Shrink, and you will see the 15 gigabytes of unallocated space. To allocate the space, right-click on the unallocated space, then click on New Simple Volume. Then click on Next. Here again, click on Next. Now from here, assign the drive letter. You can leave it as it is and click Next, but I will be assigned the drive letter H. Then click on Next. Here also click on Next. Then click on Finish, after which the drive will be allocated, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a drive partition and even created a 2 partition from 1 drive. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel.